How to add Fiverr payment method. So if you want to add Fiverr payment method, then first of all, you can open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. And now you can go for the search bar and simply search for fiverr.com. And after searching, now you can log into your account. And after logging into your account, now you can simply choose any plan. So for example, I'll be choosing this plan. And now you can go for continue. And here you can check all of these. And after checking, now you can again tap on continue. Side of your screen, you can scroll down. And here you will have payment options. So you can go for credit and debit card, or you can also go for PayPal. So you can choose any one of these. So if you choose credit and debit cards, then you have to enter your card number and then your expiration date and then your security code and your first and last name. And after entering your card details, then you can simply tap on confirm and then you can pay. Or if you want to add your PayPal, then choose that and then you can simply go for PayPal and then you can open up your PayPal account, and after logging into your PayPal, now you can pay with your PayPal. So that's it. That's how you add Fiverr payment methods. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.